What's up, guys? It's Cameron, and I'm not wearing a hat, even though I know I always wear a hat, but all three of my black Mickey Mouse hats that I normally wear are downstairs, and I was just already ready to go, and I just don't feel like putting one on, so enjoy this hatless video. But I want to talk about, I've gotten a lot of questions about my $600 day the other day, and I just want to talk about kind of some stuff that I sold during that, so that you guys, you know, I don't really put out the what I sold each month videos just because of like when the low numbers were happening, they just really weren't worth a video. But this will kind of serve as a little bit of one. I'm not going to link the exact products just because it's like so varying. It's not like one thing did a bunch of the other. But anyway, I'm just going to talk about stuff and then ideas that I'm going to start selling or things that I think you should start selling moving forward based off of some of my results. So I think it's a good time for these. Other than that, while you're here, like the video, I would love that. And then subscribe if you're new, of course. And join our Facebook group, which is down in the description. We're like 5,700 members. It's insane. So a lot of help in there. And then I also post in that group whenever I make a video or partner with somebody new or come up with a new thing that's helpful. I don't know. Maybe it's not that helpful. Maybe you shouldn't join it because it's only for cool people. I don't know. But all right. Let's get started. I got a little list. For you. All right. What I did sell during that $600 day I was talking about. Definitely like car bumpers. I sold 2 of them that day. And a lot of you guys keep asking like, is it profit? Like, is that just a $600 day or is it profit? It's like, oh, it's profit. I'm not going to tell you I sold $600 worth of stuff. Sometimes that's like 2 things. Like, no, I'm not bragging about selling $600 worth of like just inventory. That's, if you guys are out there talking about like, I sold this much today, like no one cares about that number. Only talk about your profit. That's the only number that matters. I could sell 2 $500 items, but only profit $2 a piece on them, which would just be stupid. But then I made $4, like barely. So no, it's profit, guys and ladies. What are you doing? Anyway, car bumpers. I've sold some like Jeep Wrangler textured bumpers off eBay that are actually the same price on Amazon. So now I just ship them from Amazon because I get the cash back on their credit card. That's what I do. I sell them for like $255 a piece, and I think they cost $190 to purchase, something like that. So somewhere around there. I don't have my sheet in front of me, but so they're a pretty nice little item. I sold a couple of those in one day, which is super nice. And yeah, that's the big ones. Other than that, I have listed other car bumpers that get views, but it's just maybe I love listing car stuff. I don't know. I feel like that's the realm where people are at. But also people can really like beware selling car stuff because it's kind of an easy thing for people to like not be happy with. So that's something to keep in mind. Anyway, my camera is about to die. It's like plugged in, which you're not supposed to do, but I'm doing it. Okay. Other than that, cool ass night lights. So like night lights that have like astronauts holding planets and stuff, like rocket, so like spacey, weird, cool night lights for some reason, like people and lamps, stuff like lamps that involve space related stuff. People love that. Moon lamps, Saturn lamps. I don't know. People are buying those things for me, and they're kind of working for me in a world where it's not really crazy right now. So definitely that's somewhere you can be. So I sold some hot tub stuff recently that I listed like 2 months ago or a month ago, maybe some weeks ago. I don't know. I was like, you know what? People are outside. It's going to start getting cooler. People are going to start utilizing their hot tubs if they have them. I don't have a hot tub. But here's some things I did sell and then some things that I've listed that I haven't necessarily sold yet, but I just listed recently. So you got booster seats for like kids that like go in a hot tub with like the family. You got like side trays that hang over the edge where you can like put stuff on it, like your drinks, sunglasses, stuff like that. Steps. So like if you got a hot tub and you need steps to like get into it, like little 2 or 3 step situation for the front. Those, I have sold a couple of those. Covers, of course, just like grills, those sell. Nets for like fishing out spiders and crap like that. Nets. I don't sell a bunch of nets, but I mean, those are kind of an all year round thing, just depending on where people live. It's just a good thing to have a couple of nets listed, I think. But drink holders. So that kind of works with the tray, but there's also like floatable drink holders. And then there's whole like basket stands that you can like lift the lid. And they're almost like champagne buckets, but they're whole ass stands that sit next to the hot tub that people use that you fill with ice. Those are really cool. I've sold a couple of those. And like one thing that I haven't sold, but I just listed that I think will sell, if not now, eventually, is like a railing system for a hot tub. So it's like you basically like mount it to the side of your hot tub, and it's just like a little like 2-foot long rail that, you know, you can just kind of hold on to so you don't slip as you get in or out of your tub. So that's something. I have a bunch of pool stuff listed. I don't really sell much pool stuff. I don't know about you guys. I've got inflatables. I've got cleaning supplies. I've got all sorts of stuff listed for pools, and I just didn't have much luck with pool stuff this summer. Don't know. Maybe it was me. Maybe it was like how my pricing was, or maybe everybody was just listing pool stuff. I'm not having much success with pool stuff, but hot tub stuff, which is just a different niche, kind of worked out. So, oh, my phone just went off. Either way, that's kind of what I'm playing with right now, experimenting with. All those type of things are what made up my $600 day. I don't have any specifics for you. Just go out there, find your own stuff, of course. But that's it for the main part of the video. We're now going to jump into support. So as always, get the hell out of here if you're not into the support section. I don't mind. It's totally okay if you're not about it. So support section, I've got my course, of course, to start dropshipping, and that is in the description. I have just recently moved my course over to Teachable. I am still working on doubling that and getting more videos into my course. So when I do that, the price will jump from $150 up to like $200 or $250 possibly. I don't know yet. Probably $2. I don't know. But right now it's all half off anyway at $75. So if you get it now, then you will always have it even when I add stuff to it. So you'll just have gotten it for $75, but then later you might have like a $200 or $300 course once I add a bunch of crap to it. So up to you, totally up to you. And you know, if you ever want to get somebody into it, you can just like give them your login, and then they don't have to buy the course. If you got like a friend that wants to learn, you can just like sneak them in like Netflix style to your account and have them watch it. So go in on it with a friend. I don't know. I'm trying to sell you a course now. Who would have thought? Anyway, FBM Fox, of course. Link is always in the description to get you 10% off your first month of that. Best automation software for Facebook Marketplace. I don't know what to tell you, and if you say it's not, I don't believe you. I just don't agree. Anyway, that's where we're at. Pretty soon, gonna have some stuff in the group and in the description of a VA kind of platform that you can use, where you can basically automate and just have people take over your stuff and they can use your softwares or whatever. But that's coming soon. It's not quite there yet, but it's pretty sweet. Look out for that in the group. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I don't know. I'm trying not to make myself go to 10 minutes anymore. I'm just kind of trying to spew information and get off so I don't waste your time. Because a lot of you guys complain that I ramble. So would hate to do that. Mind your business. Yeah. Other than that, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.